Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I wanted to do a fun video, a super easy DIY ghost. If you guys follow me along, last year I made a big tomato cage ghost. It's super easy and that goes outside on my porch and my kids love it and it's out there again. It's one of their favorite decorations. So this year I thought I'd do something similar but make a miniature size ghost. So that's what we're going to be doing today. All of these crafts or all of the supplies that I found at the Dollar Tree except my twinkle light. So I have styrofoam and I actually bought two pieces and decided to glue these together because I wanted my ghost to be a little bit taller. I bought both of these at the Dollar Tree. And then I took an old sheet that I had in my closet and I cut the bottom off to make it a little bit shorter. And then we're just gonna be using a glue gun and some eyeballs that I cut out of construction paper. Okay, so we are going to get started. It's really, really easy. So we're just gonna take our tall vase and we're gonna put hot glue on the outside of it. So if I can get it to stay like that. And then we are just going to put a layer of glue all the way around it. Probably add a little bit more. Okay, so we're just gonna place this right on top. I think that's the middle-ish. Okay, and then we're gonna take this and glue right there and place that on top. Okay, we have everything hot glued together. And then one thing I did not find or they don't have at the Dollar Tree are fairy lights, which I've never messed with before. They're kind of a pain because it like came in a knot, but either way, we're gonna wrap these around somehow and make it stay. So here we go. Okay. Now we're gonna throw the sheet on. And then I just have this little clip that I'm going to put in the back. Get it where you want it. And then it will not be seen. So you can use a rubber band, a hair tie, anything that you need. And now we're gonna put the eyes on. Okay, we're gonna glue the eyes on. Like I said, I just cut these out of construction paper that I had here. It can be as easy as you want it to be. Okay, and there it is. I'm gonna put this in a bathroom or I find a good spot for it so you can see it staged, but this was so easy and I absolutely love Halloween and Christmas and all the decorations, and I love finding super cheap and easy crafts to make that my kids also love. They are gonna be so excited to see this when they get home from school. So as always, thank you guys for watching my videos, for following me along. I appreciate all of you. I'm so blessed to have you guys following me, and always please feel free to comment, ask questions, and please hit like and subscribe.